Hi, my name is Selim Peeraullee, and I was a student from South Africa for 4 years. This is like quite a long time, but still I've got Cape Town, South Africa in my heart after all these years. And I've been working for quite a while, experiencing the work environment in South Africa. But from there, I have also been able to visit South Africa, all the nicest places, such as Sea Point, the Hout Bay, the Garden Route, and Robben Island, and also you have all these beautiful gardens, and obviously you can't miss Table Mountain. And from there, I've been also visiting South Africa after 2 years, and I've been there for more than 4 times now. It's always a unique experience to visit the other places that I've not been able. And you can't forget the shopping that you can do in South Africa, whether in Durban, Johannesburg, or Cape Town. And also I would recommend people for yourself and your children to visit Kruger Park with a big 5, and obviously you will ride some ostrich in these famous farms in Cape Town and other places. From there, I will go myself, let's say next year. I will visit South Africa again to experience all these beautiful, beautiful, beautiful places. And the culture obviously is one of the things that makes South Africa what it is now.